Hello everyone, this is Sakshi Nagpal. I am a 16x certified Salesforce architect. Thank you Sakshi for giving me this opportunity to share my journey with everyone on Trailblazer Talk series. So, I'm going to talk about my journey today. I started my IT career with Siebel 10 years back, and I used to like Salesforce more. Many of my friends used to work in Salesforce. I had seen the UI and I understood. I started talking about my friends about these concepts, and I started comparing Siebel and Salesforce was the #1 CRM. So I started reading about it. I started watching tutorials, and I really liked Salesforce. I had an inclination towards it, so I did the admin certification on Salesforce. Once I did it, I started searching for projects in Salesforce in my own company, and luckily I got one project. So that is how my journey in Salesforce started. After I started my Salesforce journey, I got an opportunity to go to Dreamforce from my company, and it was an amazing experience. In Dreamforce, I saw a lot of learning, lot of innovation, and everything was amazing. It was like heaven. So, and I met a lot of people, lot of community members, and I just felt that I want to be part of this community. And I have many times seen that people try to pull each other back, or people are mean to each other in the industry. But in the Salesforce community, I saw that everybody was so generous, and everybody helped each other with open hearts, and in spite of being busy, they take out time for each other and for contributing to the community. So I really liked the culture, and I also wanted to join the community. I also wanted to contribute. So I started working on the community. Like, I started answering, I started helping others, and that's how my community journey started.
So I started my journey in the community, and I started answering on the community. So I have been answering on the community for the last 3 years, and I enjoy answering on the community. It gives me a lot of exposure to different clouds, to different industries, and I can understand through this. I understand what different issues are faced by different Salesforce developers and Salesforce consultants all over the world. I was also highlighted as the rising star for June for having the highest best answers by Salesforce. I have also attended lot of community events, and I have spoken in lot of community events. Some of them are Einstein Vision and Language in Apex Hours. One of them is Node.js for Salesforce developers. In 2019, Salesforce had a program, Einstein Champion. So I was chosen as the Einstein Champions, and I had also given some sessions as an Einstein Champion. About speaking sessions, next month we have the Pakistan Dreaming, and I'm going to speak in that event. Also in the Vadodara Women in Tech group, I am the leader of that group. And basically in that, through that group, we help the people of Vadodara, newcomers who are freshers, who have passed out of college. We help them in understanding what is Salesforce, how it can be helpful to them. And we also help them in the admin certification.
Thank you everyone.